See, most guys, like the grease monkey and all, they use all new stuff. And they spend a fortune. Sometimes you don't have to do that. Depends how much mileage you're going to put on these things. You're going to run them in service constantly. They put all new stuff on them. But if you're going to run $10,000 miles a year,
not a big deal.
well, if you're rich and you want to throw money away, take it to a shop. Because they'll put everything brand new and take everything out of your wallet. That's why mechanics don't like me.
That's all right.